Okay, so once you done with the installation, then just go click on this appearance, and under appearance you will get the starter templates option. Click on the starter templates, and over here you will find some of the templates, starter templates from Elementor. Okay, so whenever you are clicking on this starter templates option for first time, you will get four options over here where you have to select for Elementor. Okay, so these are some of the options which are available for Elementor, and once you click on that Elementor option, you will get these templates. Since we are building the learning management system, we have to click on this template over here. This is basically a template from LearnDash. So you will get this LearnDash Academy. Click on this, and along with this you will get this four pages. Okay, so home page, all courses page, about page, and this contact us page. Okay, so click on complete site, and if it asks for update, don't update anything, just say skip and import. Everywhere just do one thing, skip and import, and finally just click on this import. So if this theme is in need of any plugins, it will basically search for those plugins. If they're already present, it will activate them. If they're not present, then it will download them and install them, and then they will be getting activated. Okay, so just wait for a while. It will do all this process that is needed by this website on its own. Okay guys, it's been a long time, and this template installation is stuck on this one step, which is activate plugin, which is WP Forms. So let's just do one thing. Let's just click on this add new, and open this in a new tab, and just scroll down, and it is searching for WP Forms Lite. So search for over here WP Forms Lite. Okay, so WP Forms Lite is basically part of this contact forms. So just click on this activate, and it is not getting activated. I don't know for what reason. Click on activate. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's just delete this. I think there is some problem with this WP Forms Lite plugin, and let's just try to reinstall it over again.